Welcome to Sandhills Community College, where we serve a variety of students. We are here to provide opportunities with the entire community of Hope County. Prepare for some wonderful classes with our manufacturing program.
We have a lot of excellent training covering from electrical, certified production technician, welding, machine shop training.
We use real stuff here. We use the real equipment that the plants use. Real motors, real electrical devices, real PLCs. We have a lot of people working for us that have worked in industry for a long time. And I think that that adds a element of reality.
You're using seasoned actual mechanics and electricians that have worked in that career in this area 15, 20 years. We start from the smallest little step and we work our way from the unknown to the known. All these things done in the classroom really help them get those fundamentals before they go out in the field.
The good thing about attending these classes is the demand for people with these skill sets is extremely high.
It's a great opportunity for all of our citizens. You learn all the tools you need to be successful at any of our industries here in Hope County. So come out. Sandhills Community College is the place you want to be.